So in programmatic, your DSP is hit with millions of bid requests a second, but most of them, just noise. Now, the real challenge is knowing which specific impressions or bids are worth bidding on and which ones you should really ignore. And that's where feature selection models with regression come in. So think like simple regression, multilinear regression, polynomial regression. We use it to identify which features across both the buy side and the sell side data actually predict performance. Now, most models stop at DSP metrics like CTR, viewability, CPA, but at SWYM, we layer in sell side bid stream data, avails rate, historical win rates, bid floors, whether the inventory is direct to publisher, and how these patterns are evolving across time all day. Now, by training our models on both sides of the pipes, we're not just reacting to results, we're predicting which bid requests are most likely to perform before you spend a penny, before the bid even happens. And we dynamically shape these deal IDs around that. For example, we helped a client at the trade desk cut wasted spend by dynamically generating bids into their deal IDs using these predictions. Now, instead of blasting across 50,000 domains or run on network deals, we focused on inventory or bids that had the high predicted engagement and conversion likelihood based on past performance, win rates, sell side data, buy side data, as well as ad server data. Now, this feature selection plus regression modeling is just one way SWYM helps, but it's a big one because it turns that flood of bid stream data into actionable intelligence your DSP can actually use. Now, this isn't about paying for access. It's about knowing where to bid, why to bid, and how much to bid. And that's the power of predictive curation. So let's make your ad spend smarter today. Hit us up at SWYM.ai.